And this is the mock-up block. It's just going in so I can get the location where to put the hole for the shifter. No clutch or nothing. This is just strictly to get it in the car so I can get the shifter hole cut and my shifter linkage bars set up. Screws into the block there, I believe. I'm going to try and make my own rollerized version. And I think the bracket goes, those holes there, it bolts on somewhere, I'm not sure. So the engine's in, motor mounts are, bolts are through, that's all they need to be, just a set. I get the transmission jacked up. The shifter hole it's a little off, but I think I probably have to trim it a little bit bigger anyways. I think a boot will cover it. So now I just gotta, first time the transmission crossmember's ever been cleaned. I've never cleaned it since I owned it. So get that under there and see if it can wedge it in there just enough to hold it up. I know the holes aren't going out. I think it needs to be trimmed along there, maybe. The crossmember's just kind of wedged under there, supporting it. That's roughly where it'll go. Might need to be moved side to side yet to be perfect on that. Got the seat set in there. It's a little dusty, but it's super nice. Just need to wash it. We will see how the shifter sits. Using my quarter stick knob to gauge. So that's in for high gear, so it'd be up here. My arm is pretty like straight out, so 2 inches back would be ideal. I'll bring it about right there, roughly an 8-inch, or here's the cross member. In order to get it to fit the TKX, I'm gonna have to notch this out right here, take that off, and then also this, how it's raised up about an inch, it's got to be flat, so it's going to be cut there, and then this piece will be welded on the bottom so that it can still bolt the transmission on. Kind of midway through, put the 1/4-inch plate, it's going to go on the bottom of it, and then I'll probably not use that, probably just drill some holes in it. Should be good enough to cap these off. So there it is. I actually put a 3/4-inch aluminum spacer between the urethane mount and the cross member because it needed to come up a little bit more. Looks pretty good now. These are off the front. They kept going flat. I don't know. I'm gonna go look the date up on them. They've been on there a long time. They've been since high school. Look that up and see. And I just put some trailer tires on the front just to roll it. This showed up today, so it is supposed to be 8 inches, but I think to go from the center. So I guess if you go all the way down to the bottom, it's about a 9-inch. Let's see. And there we have the shifter installed with the authentic paint chip shifter knob made from the assembly line chips from General Motors in Janesville. This kind of hard to hold the camera, but it's in about, shifter's in about the perfect position. Seems to be in a good spot. Perfect setback. Glad I didn't get the 10-inch one. Everybody, from what I read online, people put the 10-inch shifters in their car. The thing would have been a mile high. Would have been up here. This is, seems to be, yeah, it's pretty perfect.
Replace your roof, they protect your whole home. Right now, when you choose Legacy Exteriors for roofing replacement, you'll get a free gutter installation for Legacy looks and complete home protection. For a free quote, contact them today at legacyexteriors.com. Nobody knows windows like